Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got 4 unboxings for you. So these are from Pressed and Placed. It's a new to me company, so I'm really excited to see what they have to offer. The reason that I have 4 is because they had a 4-pack bundle of witchy themed small paintings, and I thought that was a really nice way for me to test out their product without buying a massive canvas and then having the sort of stress of having another big canvas in my stash. So these are nice little ones. So yeah, this is the 4-pack and they are each 20 by 20. When we have a look inside, we will find out if they are indeed true to size or whether there is a little border included in that. So I will open them one at a time. Let's just get in here. So yeah, they all came packaged together in one little parcel, which confused me a little bit because it wasn't the sort of dimensions that you would expect a diamond painting to be. Oh, interestingly, the first one I've picked up is the one that actually has the picture, the little picture of the 4 canvases that we're getting. Nice to have everything individually boxed, and nice that I would assume that means that we are getting individual drills for each canvas. Yes, right. So yeah, nice box, got all your instructions and bits and pieces on there. Lovely bit of hollow, we do like that. So this is our little mini canvas. Okay, so we've got a nice fabric soft back canvas here that is poked and serged at the edges. It's a little bit squished, but it was very tightly wrapped in there. I'm sure that that will even out. Let me just do the good old trick of pulling back that release paper and then letting it back out here. This could spend a day under a heavy book and it would be absolutely fine. Yeah, that's looking great already. So we have got, my goodness, 38 colours in this one. Ooh. Ooh, right. Interesting. Maybe we don't have... Okay. I've got, in this one, we've got the list for all 4 canvases. So we've got Dreamer's Coven, Potions and Potion Notes and Daydreams, The Midnight Brew and Whispering Shelf. So this one here is Dreamer's Coven. So it's a witch's bed with little shoes and a cat, candles and things. And then, oh, here again, they've got a little bit squished. Are these pre-cut stickers? Yes, they are. So we've got pre-cut stickers, and also, this is very cute, the little mini pictures at the top have also been pre-cut. So let's have a look, see. We've got a nice little kit here. I'll go through this because I've not used this company before, so it'll give us a chance to see what you can expect. Oh, we've got the nice skinny multi-placers. These are my favourite placers if I'm not using the metal ones. So we've got a 4-placer and is that a 7? Yeah, a 4-placer and a 7-placer. These are great. Got a Mosfa style little white boat. We've got some pale blue wax in a little caddy, a blue pen with a squishy, and a decent set of metal tweezers. Lovely. That is everything you would need to get you started if you don't already have anything of your own. Oh, I can see some specials. That's exciting. Right. Oh yeah, there are 2. We've got, hang on, got 1 AB in here, plus that one is listed as an SJ. Don't know what that will be. And we've got 2 ZGs. So let's have a little look. So this does say on it 005, which matches up with the number on the canvas. So if you do get confused, right. So the Z ones are their version of a sugar dust or a dusted glitter drill. So we've got, oh, lovely purple and the pink. And then, so that's those two. And, oh, okay, so the SJ is like a rhinestone. Very nice, in a brown sort of colour. Where is that going to go? SJ, that's the letter Q. In some of the highlights on the wood in the background. Lovely. And then we've got a 327 purple AB, which is also going to be lovely. That is the and symbol, is it? No, it's not. It is the number 7. So it's going to be some of the bedding, a little bit in the shoes, a little bit up there. Wherever you can see purple, it will be sprinkled in. So really nice. I won't get all the other colours out, but there is a lovely variety. Really nice. The quality of the squares looks good from what I can see. I will of course let you know about any trash or anything once I work on these. Let's have a look. Oh, this one's got a bit dinked on the box, but it'll be absolutely fine inside. So, this one. Okay, so yeah, in this one we have got no stickers, no kit, just the canvas and the drills. Again, we have got specials in there. There's an orange, a purple and a pink, which will be lovely. One of the things to remember then, if you are going to get the kits in the 4-pack and share them with a friend, do remember to break them down first so that you can then cut these sheets up and share them individually. And of course, I'm sure most people have got kits by now. Yeah, so it's just important to be aware that if you buy the pack of 4, you're going to get 1 legend, 1 set of stickers that you'll need to chop up and split between the canvases, which is a good job that I've checked this, because I had thought, oh, these are nice and small, they'd make good little prizes for events and stuff, thinking that I would get another pack and use them for events. And you can imagine if I just sent, I mean, you might be okay if I just sent you this and that's all you got, but I'm sure for a lot of people they would much rather have the full stickers and kit and everything else. So let's just smooth this one out as well. This is the Potion Notes and Daydreams. So it's a little apothecary bench. Got 38 colours again on this one. Oh, I must measure as well. Okay, so I'll give this a little measure just to check whether it is a true 20 by 20 or not. And yes, that is exactly 20 and a tiny smidge under 20 in that direction. So yeah, absolutely perfect. We are getting a true to size 20 by 20 on each of them. And this one obviously was a little less cramped into its packaging, and you can see how nicely it's already flattening out. Again, we've got that soft back, got lovely poured glue, which is very sticky, very nice. And I'll bring you down on this one so you can have a little look at the canvas and see the clarity. Really nice clear printing. We've got a mixture of alpha and numeric symbols, and then just a few odd ones, you know, your percent, your plus. There's a little, almost looks like a little tie shape. Yeah, so this little blob here, I don't know if it's an elongated teardrop, difficult to see, but it doesn't look like anything else, so we're not going to get confused. There's also up here we've got like this little bone diagonal, so it should all be very, very easy to work with. On this one you're going to get lots of straight line placing, so nice if you want to practice that. Yeah, no odd symbols at all. Your symbols are not in order, not in numerical order. You'll see it goes in KX72N. So if you're like me, kit up with the stickers and then rearrange them in a way that makes sense to you. I will quickly check out the specials for this one as well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 again in here. So we've got an orange sugar dust. We've got 2 ABs this time, a pink and a purple AB, and then a red, sort of a garnet red rhinestone. Very lovely. Yeah, I think these are going to look really nice when they're finished. I will make sure that there's pictures popped up so that you can see what they are meant to look like when they're finished. Just give that one a little roll so it all stays together. I am going to open the other ones just so that you can see the canvases. And we'll check out those specials as well. Yeah, so it feels like a lot doing 4 unboxings at once, but actually obviously it's not. They're not massive big canvases. So this is Midnight Brew. We've got a nice cauldron with some spells. We've got another witchy cat with a lovely purple hat. We've got spell books, and we've got a broom or a besom. Our specials for this one, we've got 35 colours for this one as opposed to the 38 on the other two. So this one is slightly less colours. What have we got specials wise though? 1, 2, 3, 4 specials again. Lots of lovely purple. We've got a lilac purple AB. We've got a blue AB there. Very nice. We've got a red sugar dusted and a brown in the rhinestone. Very, very nice. So that's that one. Again, this one's marked 007 and it says 007 on the canvas. So if you do want to store your canvases and your drills separately, you can do. I know that, oh, come on. There are definitely going to be some witchy events happening later in the year. And obviously once we get to Halloween or Samhain, as these are small though, if you are thinking of putting these in for an event, do check with whoever's hosting the event as to whether the size is appropriate. Sometimes if you're doing really small canvases, they might say it counts, but you've got to do 2 of them, so it would count as being like a 40 by 40 canvas. Sometimes they're fine and they don't really mind. So everybody runs their events slightly differently. I am not putting a minimum size on my event that I'm running. And in fact, I think almost all of these canvases have got books in and therefore would be eligible for my Bookworms event, which is running in September. So this is Whispering Shelf. So again, witchy shelf. We've got books, potion, plant, witch's hat, little spider web, and a crystal ball. This one has 28 colours, so this is the fewest colours. Interesting little bit of confetti spread in the wood. That's going to make up quite a nice little design. And I suspect, yes, some of that is going to be a special. 1, 2, 3. Yep, still got 4 specials on this one. So we've got a red sugar dusted, lovely orange AB, another brown rhinestone, and then a 151 pink AB. Very nice. Where's that pink going? Number 25. It's the little bone symbol. It's going to be in the stripes in the wallpaper and behind. Really nice. Lovely. So, and just give you a look at the rest of the colours. This one's very rainbow. Yeah, so it's going to be, the background will be one of these other pinks and then with the AB in a striped pattern behind. Very nice. So, to talk about pennies. So obviously this was the 4-pack. It was listed at £42 for the 4, which, you know, works out at £10 per canvas. not bad. There was a new customer discount. I can't remember what the percentage was now, but that knocked it down to £35.70. So it was 42. I got it knocked down to 35.70, and then it was £12 shipping. Shipping is always going to be horrible. I didn't check whether there is an amount that if you spend more than, you get free shipping. I will have a look, and if I've checked, it'll be on the screen now if I could find that information for you. So yeah, hopefully there is kind of a, sometimes they do like if you spend more than £100, then you'll get free shipping, that sort of thing. So yeah, but these are lovely. I'm really pleased with them. Yeah, I think lovely little kits, looking great. The printing on them is great. I will list the artist on screen as well because it's not on the canvas. What is on the canvas though is all of their socials, so you can check out Preston Placed on TikTok, Instagram, and their website. It's just prestonplaced.com, Preston Placed Co on Instagram, and Preston Placed on TikTok. So yeah, do check them out. They have been, from what I can see, they've got lots and lots of artists listed on their site, and they're quite transparent about what sort of art they're using, which is always nice to see. I'm going to leave this here because I've been rambling for too many minutes now. But yeah, I think, you know, for the price that I paid so far, I'm quite happy with what I've received. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried Preston Placed, what you got from them and what you thought about it, and perhaps if you would be interested in checking them out now that I've told you they exist, because I know a couple of people I've spoken to already have said they had no idea who they were. So let me know your thoughts down below as always. Thank you to those of you that support this channel by becoming channel members. You guys mean the absolute world to me, and your names will appear at the end of this video. If you cannot afford or do not want to become a channel member but would still like to support me, it can always be done for free by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already. And until next time, stay crafty.